Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, I got a special one for you here. I got a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is a true 138 super sport car out of the factory. Numbers matching, 396, 325 horse, power steering, power disc brakes, 4-speed, 12-bolt, brand new wheels and tires on it, rallies, and man, does it look good. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This car is a factory red car out of the factory. Absolutely gorgeous numbers matching car. And it doesn't get much nicer than this right here. The red looks absolutely beautiful, and it does have that black interior that looks great as well. We'll take a look at it. All the interior is in excellent condition. Really looks good. It doesn't get much nicer than this right here. 4-speed, correct shifter. Back seat looks great. Really looks good. This is an Arizona car as well. It's where the car came from, is Arizona. So really nice. Headliner looks great. So let me grab the key here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, it's finished with a beautiful splatter paint. Really looks good. It's got the spare tire and the jack equipment. Has a nice mat, but all underneath there is in excellent shape. Really looks good. Pull this back over. Flip that back. Really looks good. But all underneath the mat's in great shape. It's got the sticker, spare tire, color wheel. We'll shut the trunk here. It's going to start it up for us. We'll see how it sounds. All of the interior is in excellent shape. I'm going to cut it off here. Show you the back seat there. Really looks good. Front seat as well. Just in excellent condition. Really nice. Radio works great. So, show you the doors here. All the doors are in great shape. Said it is an Arizona car as well. 4-speed, numbers matching. Let's take a look underneath that hood. I know everybody's been waiting. Like I said, underneath the hood, it is powered by the 396, 325 horse, numbers matching, 396, power steering, power disc brakes, and it doesn't get much nicer than this car right here. Beautiful and clean, really looks good. All the hood underneath the hood looks great as well. Shut the hood here, and we'll take one more quick look at the 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go to our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle for a test drive and see how it does. Absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. And a beautiful car to drive. Doesn't get much nicer than this right here. Horn works, the radio works. Can't show you on here due to copyright purposes due to YouTube, but if you'd like a video of the radio working, just let me know. I can get that to you. We're going to take this car for a drive and see how it does. Like I said, it's a beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars, and we're going to take this one and see how it does. All right, here we go. excellent running, driving car. I'm gonna turn around and head back here. And like I say on every time, we're gonna get on it just a little bit. See what this Chevelle's made of. Alright.
This one's showing blinkers here.
Yeah, let's make sure they're both working. There's the left side, the right side. All the blinkers are working. So, alright, here we go. Car's got good power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Like I said, just an excellent running, driving car. The only thing you really have to do with this car is get you a big shelf for all the trophies that you win at the car show. So, it's the only thing you'd have to do with this car, but like I said, the car absolutely runs and drives great. Just an excellent, 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 nice car. So, we are almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we sell. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath. And here's the underneath.